Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Okay, hi guys, today I'm back with another phonics review because Connor Marwack asked if I still make phonics and what when I'm learning
Stop
words am I gonna
recording.
word builder reviews,
Button.
and I still do. I'm planning to, make some more video plans, and if you want me to make those, just ask me. But today I'm going to show you the 2009 phonics test mode because nobody's ever shown that. So what you do is, you take out the letter and all that stuff. You push the little thing, like that the letter goes into.
You have kids caught enabled. Do you want to open it?
No.
Stop recording.
So you push the little
button.
7.
Stop recording. Button.
Yeah, so you push the thing that the letter goes into and the ABC button at the same time. And then you turn it on to low or high volume. And then you hear that. You push the ABC button again.
Stop recording.
And then there's a staticky noise. And then you push it again. And then you can push the button that the letter goes into. LT. Let's say LT.
Stop
Like test the button. And then you can test the little dots on where the letters go into it, which they call it buttons. But I call it the little dot buttons. So you push those so you can do and then you can push the ABC button again.
Every letter makes a sound.
Button.
A, B, C.
This is my newer phonics, by the way.
E, F, G,
And it goes through the little letters.
J, K, L, M, N, O,
Stop recording.
P,
Stop
Q,
recording.
R,
Button.
S, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B,
Stop recording.
A,
Button.
G, I, J, K, O, M, N, A,
Stop recording. Button.
V, W, Yes,
Stop recording. Button.
says, T, Z.
Stop recording. Button. Stop recording.
C, A,
Stop recording.
A,
Button.
and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,
Stop
Z,
recording. Button.
Z.
Stop
And it makes a little clicking noise like the kind of like a stopwatch, kind of. But you won't be able to hear it. And then, it's still doing it.
Stop recording. Button.
It just says it for a second, and then it starts over, and then you push the ABC button again. And then it goes back into normal mode, so you can just,
A, B, C, D, E.
yeah, it's back into normal mode now.
Button.
Once you push the ABC button again, it'll go beep, beep, and it's back in normal mode. So,
Stop recording.
the plan for my
Button.
next videos is, I haven't mentioned this on my channel yet, but I have a talking watch for school, and I'm planning to make a video
Stop
of
recording.
you parents who wants to buy your kids a watch or walkie crack or any type of that stuff, how to get them to keep it on if you don't want them taking it off or stuff like that.
Stop recording.
I'll make a video on how you can get them to keep it on if you guys want to see that, and I'll might do more videos and
Stop recording.
all that good stuff. But it's the 2009 phonics test mode, and I'm going to show you my faulty phone if you want to see that, because the sounds can get very distorted. It's not maybe faulty, it could be just low on batteries, but that's that. And I'm still doing phonics videos, and bye guys.